Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best beach carts that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Rio Gear Deluxe Wonder Wheeler Folding Utility and Beach Cart. This cart allows you to haul all your gear to the beach in a single trip. Being versatile enough for all terrain, it holds a 48-quart cooler, up to 4 chairs and a beach umbrella. Coming in fully assembled form, no tools needed, you just need to snap the wheels and enjoy easy carrying than before. On top of that, the sturdy wagon can hold up to 220 pounds. Besides, the vast wheels allow you to push or pull this cart over almost every terrain easily. Last but not least, the frame is made of marine-grade anodized aluminum with a stainless steel frame to ensure maximum durability. Moving on at number 4, we have the Tommy Bahama All-Terrain Beach Cart. With the ability to hold up to 4 chairs, this beach cart features a removable insulated cargo bag that has zippered side pouches. The storage compartment of 15 cubic feet provides you with enough space to carry all your beach camping equipment. Besides, the cart has wheels that have a diameter of 10 inches. This allows for easy maneuverability. Also, the powder-coated steel frame assures you of great durability while the cushioned handle makes gripping more comfortable. At number 3, we have the Timber Ridge Folding Camping Wagon Cart. If you need a high-quality beach cart, then this should offer significant help. Furthermore, this beach cart is very sturdy to allow for a maximum weight capacity of 150 pounds on a hard surface and 110 pounds on beach sand. Being one of the most versatile wagons, you can use this cart in the garden or even the beach. Besides, it has large wheels measuring 8 inches diameter for comfortable and more stable user experience. At number 2, we have the Super Ultra Wide Wheel Buggy Wonder Wheeler Beach Cart. Wondering what to use for carrying your beach camping equipment this summer? Well, you don't need to. Beach Mall brings you the solution you have been craving for. This beach cart has ultra-wide wheels that have a diameter of 4.5 inches. Moreover, this allows for smooth movement over the soft sand of the beach. This great tool comes fully assembled. Hence you can now enjoy more time at the beach. Besides, the cart comes with a chair hanging bar width of 16.5 inches. You also don't need to expose yourself to the harmful UV rays. You can mount an umbrella to the built-in holder on the side of the cart. And finally at number 1, we have the Max Sports Heavy-Duty Collapsible Folding All-Terrain Utility Beach Wagon Cart. This sturdy beach cart comes with a roomy interior to accommodate maximum equipment. It can be easily set up in seconds to save more time for spending at the beach. Besides, the wagon can fold to 9.7 inches thick to allow for easy storage. Coming in blue color and a white frame, this cart has a maximum of up to 150 pounds. The adjustable handle makes pushing easier. Moreover, you can store your beverages safe in this cart as it features 2 mesh cup holders.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.